Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to organize your Shopify store like a pro? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create sub-collections in Shopify 2.0, a game changer for any store that wants to make shopping easier and more enjoyable for customers. By the end of this video, you'll know step-by-step how to set up main collections, organize your products, and create those neat collection lists that not only look great, but help people find what they need fast. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Products section in your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all your inventory management begins. Now, click on Collections. Think of a collection as a category, like a big folder where you can put similar products together. Let's start by creating some main collections. For example, you might have an overall clothing collection, and then something more specific like a pants collection. To do this, click Create Collection. Give it a clear name, like clothing or pants. And feel free to add a description or an image if you want to give customers a visual clue. This step is super important because well-named, organized collections help both you and your shoppers find products easily. Imagine you're sorting your closet. You'd want your shirts in one spot and your jeans in another, right? The same principle applies here. Once you've set up your main collections, it's time to add products into them. Go back to the Products tab, and you'll see your full list of items. Now, here's where things can go a lot faster than you might expect, especially if you have a large catalog. Tick the checkboxes next to every product you want to add to a collection. You can select one, multiple, or even all, depending on how you want to organize them. After you've chosen your products, look for the three little dots. This is your More Actions menu. Click on that, and you'll see an option to Add to Collections. This is your shortcut for putting products exactly where they belong. From here, just pick the collection you want. Maybe it's pants for your best-selling jeans, or clothing for your general apparel. Hit Done, and Shopify will work its magic behind the scenes. Don't worry if you have a lot to sort through. This part might take a few moments, but it's super efficient and definitely worth the time. Now, let's bring everything together on the storefront. Head over to Online Store and then click Customize. This is where you control the look and navigation of your website. Within the Customization panel, look for something called Collection Lists. These are sections you can add to your homepage or other pages. Think of them as the window displays in a real-world shop, showing off your best categories. Add a collection list section wherever you want it to appear. Once you've dropped it in, you'll be able to select exactly which collections to feature. So, for example, you can show off both your clothing and pants collections side by side, making it super simple for shoppers to browse by category right from the get-go. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have a perfectly organized Shopify store with easy-to-find collection lists that not only look professional, but make life simpler for you and your customers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Shopify tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Happy selling!